Hey guys, welcome to Tech Tools YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to solve this system by block diagram reduction method. So let's start today's video. So here is our question. Here RS is our input and CS is our output. Here 1 is our first takeoff point and 2 is our second takeoff point. So what will we do in our first step? In first step, we will shift the second takeoff point before the block G. Now let's draw the figure. So now in the first step, you can see that we have shifted our takeoff point from this side to this side. And whenever we shift a takeoff point before a block, we have to multiply the feedback with the value of the block. So here H2 has converted to H2 into G because we have shifted the takeoff point before the block G. That's why we multiplied G with H2. Now you can see that the block G and H1 are in parallel connection, as they both are going to add with the adder. You can see H1 is going to this direction and G1 is also going to the same direction, and they are directly adding up with the help of adder. So from this block we will get G plus H1. So let's make the new diagram. So this one is our modified diagram, and here you can see that this one is in a negative feedback loop and no forward path gain is there, so we will consider it as 1. So from this block we will apply the formula G by 1 plus GH. So here the value of G will be 1 as there are no forward path gain, by 1 plus the value of G will be 1 and the value of H is H2 into G. Here H signifies the feedback path gain. So here the feedback path gain value is H2 into G. That's why we multiplied H2 into G with 1. So its answer will be 1 by 1 plus GH2. So now let's make the new diagram. So this one is our modified diagram, and you can see that the block A and the block B both are in cascaded form or both are in series. So we will directly multiply them. After multiplying both the block, we got this new block. So the value of our transfer function TS will be CS by RS equals G by H1 by 1 plus GH2. So this one will be our value of transfer function. So that's it for today. Thanks for joining.